define for me what is distressed real estate, because you have a distressed real estate fund. So what is distressed real estate?
Well, let me tell you that it's not a value add opportunity. And I think if I get another email from a broker with a value add opportunity, I'm going to start getting nauseous, right? And so definitely that's one of the facets. It isn't a value add opportunity. Here's what it is in my mind. It's a real estate asset where there's a situation that has to do with real estate. And the situational has to do with a lot of things that really aren't directly involved with the real estate. So for us, the qualifying definition of distress is that there's distress in the ownership structure, and then there's distress in the capitalization structure. Okay, those are the two prerequisites. And that's where we start with our investment strategy. It's almost like an inside-out approach, because most funds or sponsors that you talk to, they hone in on a geography, they hone in on a product type, and then they hone in on a certain business model of what they're going to do with the property. We don't do that. That's almost secondary. You know, it's a necessary aspect of our decision criteria, but it's not sufficient and it's not primary. So if at this real estate related situation, there is ownership distress and capitalization distress, then we look further. Well, what kind of property is this? Oh, okay, so it's apartments. Yes, that's the kind of property that we know what to do with. We like that asset type. Or maybe it's a marina boat dock business on a lake someplace with some real estate. We might or might not be interested in that because it's just so far afield from our expertise and from our aptitude, right? It's in a major market, primary or secondary market. Yeah, we're probably in some tertiary markets. But if it's in a small town in Iowa, you know, we probably are not going to be interested in that. But again, those are filters, secondary filters to the qualifying problems with ownership and capitalization.